Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Are you okay today? Okay, let's be happy to continue our topic today. Today, we have a special topic discussion that is cooperative learning. In this topic, there are two learning objectives. The first, the students are able to explain the concept and the principle of cooperative learning. And then the second, the students are able to demonstrate the learning model by using cooperative learning. In this topic, you will explain by the teacher here. The first is the definition of function, and then the characteristic, the way of teaching, and also advantage of disadvantage. And later, after finishing this topic, you also should be able to differentiate between cooperative and collaborative, and we also will learn the integration both of them. Now go on the definition of cooperative learning. Cooperative learning is a teaching method where students collaborate in a small group to attain shared objective. So the focus here is the small group. And then interdependence and responsibilities. Students rely on each other for our group success, with each individual having a specific role in achieving collective goals. So the small group here will influence each other to reach the goal of the learning. And then there are the collective effort that is emphasized on combining individual strength for collective success, highlighting interaction and collaboration for greater outcome. Next, the function. In cooperative learning, the student will have a social skill because this is developed the collaboration, communication, and listening vital for real-world success. And then the next one is also motivation, because the group work here gives the student responsibility both active participation, reducing passivity. So meanwhile, in one group, all of the students must be active to do the instruction from the teacher. And then the understanding working together allow for deeper comprehension through discussion. In a small group also, the student will have a discussion with their friends in a small group. And then the last one is empowerment. It encourages active involvement, creating student more control over learning through collaboration. Next, we learn about the characteristic of cooperative learning. The first is collaboration and shared responsibility, because it involves group collaboration where each member holds a specific role depending on other for collective success, fostering a supportive and engaged learning environment. So in one group, there will be collaboration from the member of the group. And then positive interaction encourage supportive, appreciative, and assenting behavior among group members, fostering a positive atmosphere conducive to learning. So each student should be active in the discussion. The level of student in this cooperative learning can be used in the elementary level. Students can be introduced to cooperation through simple activities such as sharing ideas or completing tasks together. What do you do in the morning? Please share with your friend. What should you do if you meet with your friend? Talk another. And then in advanced level, the student can engage in the more complex group project or task that require in-depth analysis. Of course, because this is advanced level, so we should make the advanced or depth analysis. Next, we go on the teaching method of cooperative learning. The first, we have effective grouping. In grouping the student, we should consider the student threat for engagement. We know the characteristics of the student, and then we should be able to make the group of the students. Clear rules. Yeah, to make a sense responsibility for accountability, we should prepare some rules of the group. And then collaboration activities. Before applying the method, choose tasks that is fostering positive interaction, because this is cooperative, so the tasks should have positive interaction among the members of the group. And then teach integration, online tool for communication and sharing, we can also include in this cooperative learning. And then the last one, we have group evaluation to assess what have individual and group do to finish their tasks. So we can check here whether the group member are active or passive in the group discussion. The next, go for the advantages of this cooperative learning. Okay, we have social skill, motivation, understanding, and problem solving. In social skills, it also will develop communication and teamwork, because it is work in group. And then for the motivation, both in judgment through shared responsibility, and then understanding and enhancing comprehension of via discussion, through discussion. And the last one, foster critical thinking for collaborative solution in a problem or a task that is given by the teacher. But we should also consider the disadvantage of this cooperative learning: unequal contribution, group management challenge, time constraint, dependency on peers. In unequal contribution, we have varying participation level affect group work quality, so we should be able in dividing some students. Yeah. And then in group management challenge, we should be able to have the management for managing our group. And then for time constraint, we should require ample time conflicting with a pack of curriculum. And the last one, depends of the peer, over reliance, hampered learning independence, requiring teacher support for autonomy. Ladies and gentlemen, now we will go on exercises. Please do some exercises over there. You should answer some questions, and then don't forget the last one, you should apply the cooperative learning in the real teaching process. And this is the references for this material. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention and participation. Let's close by reciting Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Bye bye.